Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, coming at you with the A-Pillar Mirror Mount from Tusk. All right everyone, so today real quick, we are checking out the A-Pillar Mirror Mounts coming from Tusk. Now for us here at Rocky Mountain, on all our UTVs, one accessory that we feel is a must-have are side view mirrors. We love to have them on our side-by-sides, but when it comes to mounting, depending on the setup that you have, maybe you have a half or a full windshield on there, sometimes getting mirrors mounted to your A-pillars can be a little bit difficult. You can see on this four-seater, we have our Tusk full glass windshield. Now this windshield, the cool feature about it is actually does have cutouts down here at the bottom to get mirrors mounted up. But there's a lot of windshields that don't have that feature. And we actually see a lot of riders will actually modify their windshields so they can get their side view mirrors mounted up. So if you're in that situation, or if you want to avoid that situation entirely, well, that's where these A-Pillar mirror mounts come in handy. What's nice about these is you can see they just mount right up to your A-Pillar roll cage mounts, and they're going to come with hardware included. They're going to come with longer bolts to get those mounted up. So you're just going to take your old bolts out, put these ones in, and you're going to be mounted up. Now these are made from 1/4-inch steel, black powder coated finish, so super strong. And as you can see, they are compatible. We have these set up with our Tusk alloy mirrors, and we have them available as a kit. So if you want, you can get the mirror mounts along with the mirrors. But if you do want to, you can get the mirror mounts, the A-Pillar mirror mounts separately. Now, just keep in mind when it comes to mounting these, if you want to run a different mirror setup, just know that the hole on the mirror mount is going to accommodate up to a 5/16 diameter. But other than that, awesome setup to have on your side-by-side if you're looking to get side view mirrors installed. If you guys have any questions about these, you can comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. We will get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And do not forget that we have a very large selection of UTV parts and accessories, so make sure you check those out as well. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight video, want to see more like it and some other great UTV videos, well, make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.